Hello, everyone. I found a lot of comparisons with the Torch teaching cycle as well as the impact cycle from the book we're reading. One of the main things that I found similar was that they both provide time to identify a goal. I really liked how the teachers really have to take ownership of that and choose their own goal of what they want to work on. And specifically with the Torch, I found it was very data driven from what I was reading. And I like how they can implement everything in one platform. That does seem to be a difference with the Torch, is that it's like all video activated, where everything's in one place, so you can kind of revisit and see the growth over time. I like how there was like a goal of 2 observations a month as well. With the impact cycle, it seemed like there was a little bit more room for questioning and for inquiry, and to kind of have a little bit looser goal, maybe not as tied to the data. At least it seemed that way. I do like how there's feedback provided. I like how the impact cycle, it seems like you could do a video observation, but there's also room to meet more in person, where the real-time feedback on the Torch seemed to be more of like maybe the coach making a video as well as writing the information in there. So I know I'm very relational. I like to sit down with people and collaborate. So being fully online or in remote would kind of be difficult for me. I do like how there's assessments in the Torch. They have to really show that there's growth and improvement. And some of the best practices by the teacher seem to be professional development based. Whereas the impact cycle, there's a lot of coaching. It seems to be more in person. They're setting that up. Maybe they're co-teaching it together, or the teacher is watching the coach model a lesson. So there seems to be a little bit more of choice in that impact cycle, where the Torch seems a little bit more rigid in their response to how they're working together. And since I really like the dialogical approach, I really seem to think the impact cycle kind of leans towards that. But I would like to continue to learn more about both of these approaches. Thanks.